morning to my beautiful students of class 6th. Welcome to the another class of English grammar. Let's begin our day with this beautiful thought. So today I am going to teach you chapter number 15 of English grammar, use of articles. As you know, my dear children, there are 26 alphabets in English. 5 are vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and rest are called consonants. So let's begin the explanation of the chapter. Now I will explain you the definition of an article. The word that defines a noun either as specific means particular, or general means common, is called an article. The words a and the are called articles. So these three, a and the, are the articles. These are some of the examples of an article. Like a and the, you know these are articles. Ritu is a girl. She is an honest girl. The sun rises in the east. Sudhir has a black cat. Aditya gave me an orange. The tiger is our national animal. There are two types of article. First one is definite article. Next one is indefinite article. Article the is known as definite article, and articles a and an are indefinite articles. Now I will explain you definite and indefinite articles in detail. My dear children, you might be thinking that how to use indefinite articles, that is a and definite articles the. Now I will explain you with the definitions and examples the uses of indefinite and definite articles. First, definite article. As in the name, it is defined. So, the is known as the definite article, as it indicates a specific, that is particular, person or thing. The is used when the sentence talks about something definite, that is particular. Examples: please give me the book lying on the table. So we are talking about the specific book in this example. Should I go to the playground? Manoj is going to see the doctor. So in these given sentences, we are talking about the specific things. I'm going to tell you the uses of the. First one, the is used with the superlative degree of an adjective, that is est. Examples: this is the best book of GK. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Atul is the tallest among the boys. Sunita is the smallest girl in the class. He is the wisest member in the family. English is the toughest of all subjects for him. Now next use. The is also used before the names of things unique of their kind. Examples: the sun gives us heat and light. The moon is cool. It revolves around the earth. The tiger is our national animal. The is used before names of oceans, seas, rivers, canals, and mountain ranges. Examples: the Himalayas, the Bay of Bengal, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Panama Canal, the Atlantic Oceans. So these are the examples of oceans, seas, rivers, canals, and mountain ranges. Next use of the. The is used before the names of ships, aeroplanes, etc. Examples: the Titanic, the Jaguar, the Mirage, the Vikrant, the Boeing 747, the Air Force One. Next use. The is also used before the names of certain countries, which includes words like kingdom, states, etc. Examples: the USA means United States. Here, states word is included. Next, the UK, United Kingdom. Here, kingdom word is included in this country. The is also used before the names of a class of people or community. Community means group. Examples: the Indian, the Sikhs, the Muslims, the Americans. I'm going to tell you the use of indefinite articles. So what is an indefinite articles? A and an are known as indefinite articles as they do not indicate any specific person or thing. Indefinite articles are used with singular nouns. Examples: Puneet has bought a book. Sakshi has a black dog. Picture of an umbrella. Nikhil ate a banana and an orange. Here what you have noticed, my dear children, that A is used before a countable noun and begins with a consonant. As you know, there are 21 consonants or consonant sound, while an is used before a countable noun that begins with a vowel. There are 5 vowels or vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O and U. Rohan wears a uniform. He is a European. He has a 10 rupee note. He is an honest person. You will think that A is used before the words beginning with the vowel, while an is used before the words beginning with the consonant. Why? This is because the words after a sound as if they are beginning with consonants. Likewise, the words after an sound as if they are beginning with vowels. The vowel U in the words European and uniform sounds similar to the word U. Similarly, the consonant Y is silent in the word R, which is pronounced just like R, and the pronunciation of M is MP, begins with A. You must remember that the use of A and an before a word is the sound of the word and not the spelling of the word. So my dear children, keep this in your mind. You have to listen to the sound. Don't see the spelling of the word. The omission of articles. Omission means to exclude and to put the correct one. First one, articles are not used before proper, material and abstract nouns. For example, wood is an important substance. So here wood is material noun. Honesty is the best policy. Here honesty is the abstract noun. He was awarded a medal for bravery, proper noun. New Delhi is the capital of a country, proper noun. Gold is a precious metal. Articles are not used before the names of countries or mountain peaks. For example, K2 is the highest peak of India. India has a large population. Next, no articles is used before the names of days, months and seasons. Examples: January is very cold in Delhi. Saturday will be a holiday. Autumn has arrived. So no articles are used before a noun if it is followed by a number. That is, he lives in street 18. He goes by bus number 753. These are the answers of chapter number 15, articles, book exercises, solutions. So complete neatly like me. And for exercise number 2, paste the page, then write only the answers. My dear students, the chapter is clear to you. I had explained you articles with the examples, the use of articles and the types of articles. Do watch the video very attentively to understand the concept. Thank you all. God bless you all.